Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. One of my neighbours works for the NHS, the National Health Service. And the other day I bumped into her on my way back up from the shops, and I stopped and had a little chat and asked how she was bearing up, how she was coping with everything, because I figure she must have been under a lot of pressure during the winter with the COVID intake and everything. She told me that it had been quite a rough few months and that they'd seen some terrible things, but mentioned that luckily she had some incredibly supportive colleagues and that they often all had a laugh together after work. I said it's always good to work with people who share a similar sense of humour to you, and she said, yeah, our sense of humour is very, very dark. It kind of comes with the terrain. If you say that something comes with the terrain, you mean it's common or normal in a particular kind of environment. The idea of terrain comes from land. Excuse me. So you can talk about mountainous terrain or desert terrain. You get certain kinds of four-wheel drive vehicles which can be taken anywhere, and they're sometimes called all-terrain vehicles. So, metaphorically speaking, if you say, stress and depression come with the terrain if you're working in this kind of area of work, you mean it's normal, it's not uncommon for those things to occur in this field, in this area. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use comes with the terrain.